Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Je suis Séverine, votre professeure de français. Hi and welcome. I'm Séverine and I am your French coach. Comment ça va aujourd'hui? How are you today? Moi, ça va bien. Moi, ça va bien comme d'habitude. Remember comme d'habitude? Or comme d'hab. Comme d'habitude. Or comme d'hab means as usual. Aujourd'hui, un épisode pour décrire les goûts en français. Today, a very yummy episode to help you describe food taste in French. And as usual, you'll have the full free transcript and the cheat sheet on the website speakfrenchavecmoi.com. You don't need to sign up to access the transcript, it's free. Avant de commencer, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner. Before I start, don't forget to subscribe. It helps other listeners to find out about the podcast. And again, thank you for leaving ratings and commenting. It's always nice to hear back from all of you. Alors, aujourd'hui, comment décrire les goûts en français? Are you ready to speak French? Okay, so I guess the first word should be goût. You heard me saying goût a few times. Goût, and it's spelled G-O-U-T. Goût means test. So we'll start with the food test you absolutely need to know. The basic ones that you can use to ask questions about your food. Salé, salé, salé. Salé means salty. Sucré, sucré. Sucré means sweet or sugary. I know it's hard to say. Sucré. And then harder is gras. Gras. Gras with the gr sound. Gras means greasy or fatty or oily. Gras. And then épicé, épicé, épicé or piquant. 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 Épicé, piquant means spicy. Okay, so let's repeat all together. Salé, sucré, gras, épicé, piquant. Donc, ce sont les adjectifs les plus essentiels. These are the most essentials adjectives. Maintenant, on va parler de goûts qui sont plus élaborés. Now, let's talk about taste. Very bit more or fancier in French. Doux, amer. Doux, amer. Doux, amer means bittersweet. Doux, amer. Fumé. Fumé. Fumé means smoky. Aigre. Again, the gre sound. Aigre. Aigre. Aigre means tangy, even sour. Aigre. Here's another one, not easy to say. Croquant. Croquant. Croquant means crunchy. croquant. And then crémeux. Crémeux with the E sound. Crémeux. Crémeux means buttery, creamy. Allez, on répète tous ensemble. Doux amer, fumé, aigre, croquant, crémeux. Of course, feel free to pause and repeat. Pronunciation is really hard. Don't worry about the perfect pronunciation. The idea is to expand and to be exposed to different words and their pronunciation. Maintenant, la dernière partie, ce sont les impressions. Now, the last part are impressions about food. Yummy in French is miam. If you want to say yummy, you say miam. That's why sometimes if you're in France and you see the word miam, you know it's yummy, miam. And then délicieux with a cieux sound like 7. Délicieux. Délicieux means delicious. Délicieux. Savoureux. Savoureux. Savoureux means tasty. And then the last one is fade. Fade means bland and it's spelled exactly like to fade. Fade. Bland. Allez, on répète ensemble. Let's go, let's repeat together. Miam, délicieux, savoureux, fade. Voilà. Maintenant, on va répéter tous les adjectifs ensemble. Now, we're going to repeat all the adjectives together. Salé, sucré, gras, épicé, piquant, doux amer, fumé, aigre, croquant, crémeux, miam, délicieux, savoureux, fade. And of course, the best way to memorize is to practice at home. Don't wait, months or weeks before you practice. You can do this anytime today in front of your meal or in front at the restaurant, or even, you can challenge yourself to remember these adjectives. Believe me, this works. Voilà, c'est la fin de notre épisode. Here you go. It's the end of this episode. I hope you find it helpful. J'espère que vous l'avez apprécié. And don't forget to check the workshop. The workshop, it's great. It's self-directed. You can study at your own pace. And now, from the first students, all the classes are released at the same time, so you can pick and choose the topics you want to start first. So go ahead, it's on the website, it's free for the first 4 lessons, and you don't need a credit card. Encore merci pour écouter cet épisode. Et si personne ne vous l'a dit aujourd'hui, peut-être parce qu'ils sont trop occupés autour de vous, Moi, je sais que vous êtes fantastique. And you know, maybe because too many people are too busy around you and they forgot to tell you today that you're terrific. Merci. Au revoir. À bientôt.